I will show you how you can earn $1,000 to $2,000 without selling affiliate marketing or social media followers. And there is no need to be expert in this way. You can do the work even if you are a beginner with no experience. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. Stick with us until the end of this video, and I'm sure you'll be able to make a lot more money by these 3 websites that I will show you one by one where you can earn money. Be sure here is one from easiest method possible to earn money online. Now let me explain how this method works. Let's start here. So I will teach you how to use Google News to get paid frequently. All of this will take less than 30 minutes, and don't worry if PayPal isn't accessible in your country or you don't want to use it. I'll told you how to choose from different payment choices. So if you don't want to get the money through PayPal, you may choose from a variety of other payment ways such as bank transfer and more. Now let's get started with the first step. Now go to Google, then search for Google News. After you found it, go to the first official website, news.google.com. This is the location where you can discover the news about a lot of things and articles on a variety of topics from anywhere and anytime in the world. It's similar to a newspaper in that you can find anything you want here. This website has a lot of news about different topics include politics, business technology, sports, science, health, entertainment, history, and everything else that you want or think of it. Now how we will going to make money with this? And how are we going to earn our free PayPal money? To learn that, keep watching this video and I'll show you how it is all done. So now you have all of the categories here, as well as global news. This is about a lot of things are going around the world. At this moment, you have your own area news, which we will ignore since we only want to cover this topics: health technology, science, sports, entertainment, and business. Now for example, if we choose the health category, we will be presented with all of the most recent news and articles relating to health. So let's go to this page and see what we will find. So this article that was just recently published seems very good to me, and it's a very nice piece that a lot of people would like to read. So all we have to do now is open up this article and take it. And don't worry, you won't have to write any articles like these and you won't have to sell anything. And this has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing, media marketing, or any other type of marketing. What we have to do now, it's simple. Open that article and begin copying content from it. For example, I'll copy this and go onto this website. Is called spinbot.com. This is the website that we'll be using to help us rewrite. You will need to paste the writing that you get it from Google News into this box right here. Spinbot will rewrite the article for you, allowing you to have the entire article written in your own words and making it truly unique. Then we will use these articles on 3 different websites which I will show you to make money. Those websites will pay you for your contributions. Some of them will pay you $1 for each word you write. As you can see, such articles can have thousands of words, which can make you a lot of money. Anyway, after you get the article that you want, simply you will copy and paste the content into this box. Now click the spin button to rewrite the text. And now do this human puzzle verification by sliding the piece to align it with a puzzle. Now that you'll rewrite the entire article for you in this website, as you saw, the context is nearly identical, but their different words are used. It's rewriting it in your own terms and utilizing synonyms. So now take that unique and rewritten content and sell it on the following 3 websites that I will show you to get money. So keep watching till the end to get these 3 websites. Now I will show you the first website is called eatingwell.com, which will be the first website we will use. This website will pay you for the articles you create. So instead of you performing all the hard work of creating those articles for days, the rewriting to live, provided you will do the hard work for you. You can simply write original and high-quality articles by using Google News and Spinbot, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. So that was the first website, and I still have 2 more websites for you. Anyways, on this website, you can earn up to $1 per word, which means that if you write an article with 400 words, you can earn $400 for that article, and it took you less than 30 minutes to copy and paste this new article that you already rewrite it. Now you will ask me, how do I really submit my papers for payment? Don't worry, I will learn you how to do that. You'll go down a little bit on this website until you find this area where you can get their contact details. So copy their email address, then go to your email and send them an email with a subject line submission or content submission, or anything about your article, and attach the file with your own article that you wrote. They will check your email after you submitted, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment information. Or you can fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is better and highly recommended. If you wish to be paid using PayPal, you will let them know, then provide them with your PayPal and email addresses, Or you can simply provide them your bank details if you want to be paid by bank transfer. You can do the same thing to other payment options. You know that news stories in Google News uploaded every couple of hours, so your selections are virtually limitless. So you can take those articles, then rewrite them with Spinbox, copy and paste them into a Word document or Google Docs, or save them to your computer, whatever you want, and submit them to these websites. Keep watching the video till the end, because there is 2 more websites you need to know about them. Now before I show these websites and show you how to create your account and start making money, I want you firstly to give me like on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about money flow and how you will earn the money online, and to keep updated. And don't forget to tell us your opinion about the video by comment. So the second website is sierraclub.org, where you may also contribute articles. As you can see on their website, you may submit your articles to this website by simply following the steps provided. So to contact them, simply send an email to this address, so you can copy this and paste it into your email along with the contact information, and in the subject line, simply write in submission or content submission. Or you can also fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is better and highly recommended. You may submit more than just health articles to sierraclub.org, as you did with eatingwell.com, but you will be demanded to discover anything linked to science or tech. So go ahead and open a tech-related article, then copy and paste the text into Spinbox, allow them to rewrite it and send it to sierraclub.org email address. Overall, you will earn more money if you submit more articles to these websites. Of course, they will not approve all of articles, but even if you only receive 1 a day, that's still hundreds of dollars every day simply by copying and pasting. By the way, all of these websites are completely free, so you don't have to wait. You can start using this method right away, and there is no limit to repeat this process indefinitely and earn a substantial sum of money. I hope you found some helpful tips in this video. By the way, if you have any problems on this website, just comment and tell us your problem below, and we will be happy to help you and solve the problem. Now don't expect to be rich from these websites alone. You're not going to make thousands of dollars just by typing words on these websites, and this is the truth, but don't worry, you can still make some money. So just use these websites to make hundreds of dollars every day and gain some experience so that you can later use your experience to offer your services on big websites like Upwork and Fiverr and other big platforms to make some good money. So make sure you get yourself some experience first from today's websites. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there is a new methods on how to make money online that I will learn you a lot of things about it, and it will drop here in any moment. Thank you for watching.